Well, as the Happy Pear guys, we have delighted in bringing nutritious cooking to people and also appearing in the nip a lot of the time really early in the morning on Snapchat and whatever. So look at this. You know what I mean? I'm Pippa O'Connor and this is my husband. What's your name? Paul. Brian. And I discovered the secrets of living beautifully and I just thought I'd share them with, you know what I mean? Like it's people say it's a book, but I look at it more like, do you know the Ark from Raiders of the Lost Ark? Yeah. Like that's how big it is. Our protagonist, Dr. Noel, the first ever hero named Noel, I believe. He's a part of both of us certainly because he's worried about everything. He is the person who's going, don't touch that. Look, if you pull that, that could fall off the edge. But he's taken that to the nth degree where he's like, don't eat a sandwich on the loo because a shark could come out of it. And then he started to invent, like the toothbrush snake is a snake shaped like a toothbrush that sneaks into bathrooms and lies directly beside your toothbrush. And if you're not paying attention, it shoots up your nose and you have to play a trumpet to get it down. So like, it started off with some reasonable fears and it's just gone more and more preposterous.
Yeah, he'll find the most ludicrous thing in any situation.
And so we delight then in putting him into situations. Chris, let's plug some stuff.
We're doing some shows in Dunleary.
Oh yeah, we're doing some shows nationwide. What else we plug? There's a new Star Wars film coming out. There's a new Samsung have a new phone, the Galaxy.
No, that's been cancelled.
No, it's a really good. Apparently, it's
Pantene have a new lipstick.
Yep. I think that's shampoo. Amy, do you want us to plug anything? We don't have sponsors. No, that'd be awful if there was a bit in every book where he's like, do you know, I'd love a double-decker right now. He's obsessed with cabbages in the book, but I don't think cabbages are going to sponsor us. Would you want to be sponsored by? Imagine that. Imagine if I arrived here with like, thanks for getting behind the new book, guys. Here's some cabbage.